What's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 13th, 2021. Dogecoin is the price prediction we're going to give you all on this video, right? We're going to tell you all we're expecting the market price in Dogecoin to go because we were the ones who told you about the Bitcoin price rally. And now we want to talk about Dogecoin's price rally. So before I break that down, if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, make sure before you head out, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel only if you appreciate our content, only if you appreciate someone giving you all the heads up as to where price is going to go, and only if you guys can see the value in our predictions. You can see from our last price prediction in Dogecoin that we did not get what our expectations were from our last video. I want to be fully transparent with all of you. We expected the price in Dogecoin to go lower, but it didn't. So how did we know? At what point would we have known that, hey, your price prediction was not correct and that you may need to take the other side of the market, i.e. instead of the price going lower, maybe you need to look forward to the price going higher in Dogecoin. It was right here. So we did our price prediction in Dogecoin back on August the 3rd. Okay. Now, immediately, once we concluded our price prediction on August the 3rd, the price in Dogecoin really didn't fall, right? It didn't. The price only traded sideways for like the next 3 days after we did our price prediction. But then on the 4th day of trading, of going into our price prediction, we got this bar right there. You see that? Very massive spread comparative to what we were going through throughout the month of July. We haven't seen this type of spread since June 23rd, 2021. So the momentum changed on that day. The amount of volatility changed on that day. Look at the volume. We've seen more people become involved in Dogecoin on that day, August the 7th, 2021. This was the time that we would have known, said, yeah, the market is not going to go down. Instead, the trap is trying to throw us a trick. He's trying to tell you, instead of the market going down, I'm trying to take the price higher. So that is the day that we would have gotten out of this particular prediction, right? To say, yeah, let me minimize my losses. Let me see, let me tell you that I did not get it correct. I can see where the market is trying to tell me that it's trying to go higher in price. So let me get out this position, because if I don't, I'll lose more than where I'm at now. So we would have gotten out on that day, right, on the close. It's about 30%. Like many of you may say, ouch. Yeah. But we're minimizing losses. Once you understand how to read charts, you can minimize your losses as well too, because either you can be down 30% now, or if you were to get out today, you'd have been down 39%. Now, obviously, we have been predicting Bitcoin's rally as well. Dogecoin, based off the last couple of trading days, is still anticipated to go higher. So would you rather have a 30% loss? Would you rather have 39% loss? Because as we see this price in Doge go higher, those losses will increase because you are expecting the price to come back down, right? You're hoping that the price comes back down. But once you understand language analysis, once you understand how to read charts, you understand that there is still some momentum on this particular play to see the price in Dogecoin go higher. So we need to cut it. We need to get rid of those losses as soon as possible and move on to the next play. That's what we're going to do here today for Dogecoin. So let me get rid of this. Okay. So now, one of the biggest things I wanted to show everyone in our community is how the market in Dogecoin has been seen. Look at all that volume that came in over the last 6 days, right? Massive amounts of volume came in over the last 6 days of trading in Dogecoin. Now, ask yourself the question, what in the world is going on over the last 6 days? And let's not be confused. Let's not think that it's just, some qualm that the market is increasing in volume over the last 6 days. No. Look at where the price is. Look at where we've held our area of restriction into the market in Dogecoin, right there around 25 cents. So this increase in volume around 25 cents should not come as no surprise. What is going on then? If this volume is increasing, but the price is not dropping, what in the world is going on? It's simple. The market is buying. Simple, plain and simple. That's it. Right? The charts is not supposed to be confusing. And once you add on RSIs and MACDs and stochastics and all of this and all of that, you cannot see that. You can only get two types of transactions into the market that is able to move the price: buying and selling. That's it. Those two things can only move the price. Nothing else can. Not even breaking news. Not even using technical indicators. Not even utilizing fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis cannot move price. The only thing that moves price is the buying and selling of these products. Once you understand that, you become very powerful in the markets. So, since we've seen the increase in volume in Dogecoin, right? And the market hasn't been dropping, the price is still going to go higher. That is going to be our expectation. We are going to look forward to Dogecoin to go higher in price. So let me get rid of this, right? Because I'm not seeing the market in Dogecoin coming back and trading within this trading channel. So we don't need to keep it there. It's pointless. So let's take this one away. And we're going to continue to follow the trend into the market in Dogecoin. So currently we're in a trend, an upward trend. And we're going to continue to follow that market in Dogecoin. So as long as this price stays above this ascending line throughout 2021, we already know where we're headed. Now, will it be a breakout movement off of that ascending line, or will we slowly but surely trend higher in price? That's the only thing. That's the only outcome right now on the chart for Dogecoin. Now, I want to keep your eyes open to one thing though. We need to be aware that the volume in selling is going to increase here, right there around 29 cents. Okay. We hit that on yesterday's trading and the market came back down. So it tells you that there's selling going on in the market in Dogecoin right there around 30 cents right there. Okay. So be on guard about that. Like, we need to make sure, like, where are the loopholes? Where are the traps that the trap is trying to set up against us, so that we can be prepared to at least grab the profit and then at best minimize those losses. We need to see where he's at. And right now the selling is at 30 cents. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do the play though. So we want to go ahead and continue to play the strength into the market right there in Dogecoin, right? I like to see this price hold support around 25 cents, but I'm going to bring it down here to the lows of about 22.5. We need to give the market ample time, only under the premise that price will drop, that we have enough cushion to allow our prediction to continue on, right? So as long as the price in Dogecoin does not break below 22.5 cents, we're going to continue to expect the price to go higher. Simple. Now, I told you that 30 cents is an area of selling. So we will need to have to come through and TP some profits off the market in Dogecoin at 30 cents. That's about 10.5% right there. Now, based on the volume that we've seen over the last 6 days, 30 cents doesn't look to be a problem for the market in Dogecoin. So I'm going to take it up there towards 34 to around 35 cents. Okay, that's about 26.44% banger out the market. Everyone in our community can eat off that right there. Okay, so now I want to make our chart clean. Let me clean this up. This is the expectations now going forward into the market in Dogecoin. So now, what is your expectations? What is your prediction? What are you seeing into the market in Dogecoin? We're still expecting this rally to continue in Dogecoin. I want you all to let me know, what are you seeing on the chart? Drop me your price prediction. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different, and I'll see you all on the next video.